Hi guys, today I am making iceberg slime.
Yeah, we're making the base for it, huh?
Yeah.
And then we are going to wait how many days? 2 or 3 days?
Like 2 or 3, yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come back after 3 days and we're gonna show you the results.
Yes, all right. So first we start with, it says 1 cup of white glue. So here's a half cup. Do you want to put this in here?
Yeah, I'll put it in.
Yeah, then when you're gonna have to let it go down. Let me check the baby. Okay? Hello. You're gonna need 2 of those, okay?
Okay. Then we're adding our color.
Hmm?
Or no?
Yeah. What colors were you gonna do?
These 3 colors. So
What are they?
sky blue, and then pink, and then violet. Whoa, violet got into blue.
Okay.
Yeah, that one arm.
Okay. Ooh, stuck.
Pink is easiest to open.
Okay. So you're trying to make a light purple, huh?
Well, yeah.
So let's not, you don't want to do too much if you want it to be light.
I want it to be
Okay.
like dark and light.
Okay, that's enough.
And then
It's all gel stuff. You don't need a lot. There you go. It's
Yep.
perfect. Okay, let's put the covers on them.
that feels really nice.
All right. Use your other hand and spray a lot of shaving cream, please.
I've never used shaving cream before.
Okay. Can you just spray some? Try to get together.
Okay.
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 All right, let's put some activator on.
Ooh.
Swirl it.
I'm getting a little bit tired.
Your hands are, yeah, it's a lot to do, huh?
Yeah. This is a lot of slime.
Yeah.
Oh wait, look how much slime left.
Yeah, no, when to add? To add cornstarch.
Hold on.
Before adding the slime activator. Hold on.
It feels nice.
Here. I wonder how we get the rest of it up.
Yeah, well, it's gonna stay there forever.
No, it's not. Hold on.
Oh, stretchy. This is too. What container is this gonna fit in?
I have one of those old, like a container. Hold on. I have to go find it.
Like
So let's make sure this stretches enough, though. I need it to be like a good. I want it to overactivate, or else we're going to add a little more.
We need a suitcase. We need a suitcase for this.
That's a big one. Yeah. Why don't we stretch it? like it? Stretch it. More like. It's supposed to sit like above it, so it makes a mound on top, and then you can pop it. Okay.
Oh, that sounds fun doing. I don't know why slap slime. I just like doing it. Oh, ow.
You want it round. We want it kind of round on top.
I can't wait for 2 days to play with that.
Oh, it's bubbling. Look at that. Okay. Hopefully it won't spill over the sides. Now we gotta leave it out. What do you think? What do you think of that? Nope, we gotta leave it out for a couple of days.
It's like 2 days.
Yeah. So and then we'll come back and pop it in how many days? 3 days.
Like,
Okay.
it's like 2.5 days actually.
Okay.
But cool.
Wow, that's cool. Look at how fluffy that is.